Hi, I'm Alison Fennell, the potter and artist, and I've just taken delivery of about 40 of my new magazines. This is issue 8, it's the summer edition, and it's a lovely arty read. There's no adverts in it, and every article has been written by me, and it comes straight from the horse's mouth. Experienced tutorials on painting and drawing. Mostly we use pencil, watercolour and pen and ink. And in these tutorials I show you step by step on how I paint and draw. On top of that, we got lovely sort of ideologies, methodologies, mindsets, lots of ideas to get your creative juices going. So this is a lovely soft cover. It's nice sometimes, isn't it, to sort of look at a paper copy. I actually like to sniff the pages. I like the smell of paper, and have that instead of looking at a screen all the time. This issue is £9.99 plus shipping anywhere in the world. If you want to buy this issue, click the link in the description below. And this year also I'm doing an annual subscription offer. So if you want to get the 4 issues a year annual subscription, you'll save about £7, and you'll know that at the turn of every season you're going to get a new magazine straight to your door. It's like having an arty sort of papery friend coming to visit. So if you want to buy it, it's in the link below, and any questions, email me, Alison at thepotterandartist@hotmail.com. Bye.